Hey, it's Tom from Tom's Tunes. We got a fun project we're starting today. Marty's gonna get into tearing this one down. This is a year 2000 Gill Getter. So these are a 14-foot long boat, 7 feet wide, popular fishing boats. It's on a small no-wake lake. So it doesn't need to be big or fancy or anything. It's actually getting a brand new Suzuki 9.9 horse fuel injected motor. We'll put that on the back with a steering console, new railings, and that's it. So really simple layout. It's just a BYOC, bring your own chair and hang out. You can see we're missing some carpet in here, which kind of makes me think more that it might actually be the original. So we'll get that torn out. Pretty much everything else torn out. The only thing that we're gonna change besides the obvious railings and floor, if we come around the back, we could add another M bracket here on each side and extend across, move everything back. But the customer is pretty happy with the layout and just keeping it simple. We're just gonna weld a couple brackets and set a tray here for the battery and a tray on this side for the gas tank. We'll replace this transom wood because that's all rotted out. That's this 2000 Gill Getter, simple project, but it's a new one because it's a baby. We've done some big boats, but we haven't done a little one like this yet. Hopefully it's helpful if you're following along at home. One of my favorite things about what we do here at Tom's Tunes is we make boats unrecognizable. This is that 20-plus-year-old Gill Getter. We added higher railings. It's gonna be way safer for the little ones. We got rid of the carpet. We put new plywood and vinyl floor. That tan weave with the black looks fantastic together. We did our deck-mounted navigation lights. We could reuse their swim ladder, and we shifted everything back to give a lot more space, a lot safer, more fun place to swim and fish from on the lake. We have a little smaller doors, being that's a dainty little boat. That works really well. And on the back, we're able to keep the back cross member the same, but we added a couple brackets just welded on for these trays to sit on. We have a tray for our fuel tank and a tray for the battery. That way we didn't have to give up any floor space like they used to keep the gas tank and battery on the back of the boat. This motor, brand new 9.9 horse Suzuki. It has a high thrust prop on it. It's the perfect little motor for this boat and any no-wake lake. We did a stern light that can go up and down, so just making them legal in case they're out cruising at night. And if you peek over top, we did the standard console from PontoonStuff.com, a couple basic switches for the USB plug, and then one for our navigation lights. Our bimini top is not a typical one that we would use because this boat's only 7 foot wide, but luckily it's a common item you can find online to make work on a narrower boat. We're gonna go ahead and get this motor fired up, get it ready, cleaned up for a customer to take it home and get it on the lake for another season, hopefully their best season yet with this boat.